Hey there everyone, it's Helen and I'm here to talk about the Sephora savings event. If you know me, you know I love a deal, so this is the perfect time to stock up on your favorites, maybe try something new. If you're super savvy and thoughtful, maybe buy something for somebody else as a gift. Let's just get into some of the ones that I'm going to be getting this season. First up is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Powder. I know you all have seen this on your social channels. Personally, I have hit pan on this. It is an incredible powder. It just gives your complexion this really flawless finish. I will definitely be restocking on this. Sephora Savings is the perfect time to stock up on your signature scents, so I will certainly be purchasing the Product Paradox. This is just such a lovely fragrance, and it's really the perfect time to get those higher priced items and get a deal on them. All right, K18 is incredible. I'm sure you have seen this, and if you've been on a hair care journey and have been curious to try it, now is the time. I highly recommend it. I have bleached hair, and if you have a color treated hair, it will work wonders to smooth and just make everything easy to style. It's something I use every single week and it does wonders. All right, Patrick Ta's blush is so cool. I am such a blush girly. This one is awesome because you're getting a mega deal here. This is 2 blushes in one, the cream and the powder, and it just looks super gorgeous on. It's super versatile for all of your makeup needs, and I just really love it. And if you haven't tried the Kulfi liners, I am wearing the blue right now, and I'm super interested in getting this russet color. It's so gorgeous, and it really makes blue eyes pop. And as I said, this is the time to be stocking up on things that you use every single day. So I love the Glow Recipe Cleanser. I double cleanse, so I really go through these. This one's really great because it removes makeup, but it also really protects your skin barriers. I am super excited for the Sephora Savings event. If you are interested in any of my essentials, you can shop the shelf below. And until next time, bye everybody.